everyone. Hello, my name is Juliana. So for today's video, I wanted to try a bonding restorative mask. So this one is by Schwarzkopf, part of the Blonde Me collection, and it's their Keratin Restore Bonding Mask. It smells absolutely amazing, and I've used this one before, but I haven't used it to its total capacity. I normally just put it in for 2 or 3 minutes while I'm in the shower, and I just wash it right out. It says 5 to 10 minutes, so I'm gonna try at least 10 minutes. I think I'll probably do, I don't know, 15 or 20 minutes or something like that. So right now the hair that you're seeing is the second day, so it's second day hair. So if you didn't see my curly hair routine, this is what I did yesterday, and yeah, so it still looks good. I had it, I feel like it would probably look better if I didn't have it in a ponytail, but when I'm getting ready for bed at night and everything, I stick in a ponytail, take it out when I sleep, and then go right back in a ponytail during the day. I am overdue for a haircut. I wanted to do a mask because my ends are ooh, help me, we're so dry. So we're gonna be doing a mask. With all this time that we have at home, it is so important to take care of yourself. Self-care, you know, mentally, physically, emotionally. I think it's super important, especially during these crazy times that we're having, to take care of ourselves. So I'm gonna be doing that by, you know, taking care of my hair a little bit. I have, you know, some extra time obviously, and these are the kind of things that I always put on the back burner because I'm like, okay, yeah, I'll get to it when I find some time. And girl, I have no excuse now. Oh, this craziness, and just for our well-being, it's so important to do these self-care activities. All right, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I have shampooed my hair. When I'm getting ready to do a mask, I like to shampoo my hair, and that's it. No conditioner, none of that, because I don't want the conditioner and then the mask on top of it to be too heavy. That's just something that's my personal preference. Oh, also, if you're wondering, my shirt says rocking the Pitbull Mom Life, because I'm a Pitbull mama. I got 2 pitties, Frank and Beans, if you didn't get to meet them in my first video. You might want to go back because they're really, really cute. What I like to do to get my hair ready for this is I put in a little bit of leave-in conditioner. This one is by Unite. It's a 7 seconds leave-in conditioner. Then I go in and just brush out my hair. This is just a vent brush. Now the reason why I like to brush my hair before doing this is because it helps make sure that you're gonna have even saturation, and it helps move everything through the hair so you don't have a bunch of a million tangles in there. I'm just gonna take out a little bit more of that water. Okay, so then what I like to do is take my hair in sections. I split it down the middle. What I like to do is just go in with my fingers. So grabbing a little dollop, I guess, and I'm really gonna pack it on there. So when I do a mask, I like to avoid my root area because masks can be really, really heavy on your root area. Okay, so because I combed out my hair, it makes it a lot easier to run my fingers through it. So then I just take my next little section, and then same thing, I just split my hair because it's easier for me to see it this way. So another little dollop, I guess. Oh, this stuff smells so good. So really any mask is gonna help you. Like I said, you wanna make sure that you're just avoiding your root area. This is what we would do at the hair salon as well if you're getting like a deep conditioning treatment. Typically we do it at the shampoo bowl, and then we'll clip up the hair and put you under a dryer to really let it soak in, or and that's if we're gonna let it sit, you know, for like 15-20 minutes or so. You can do a deep conditioning treatment. It's not going to be as impactful, I guess, if you're just not letting it sit quite as long. So you can definitely still use it. Sometimes I will use this in place of a conditioner because it has, in my opinion, just more, what's the saying, more packed to the punch or something like that. Or I don't know the saying. Another little clump. The most important part is that you get your ends really saturated. So now that I have covered my hair, what I'm gonna do is put my hair up in a bun. If you have a shower cap, you can go ahead and put that on there as well. But I just like sticking it up in a bun. And we'll be back in 20 minutes. All right. The 20 minutes was up, so I went ahead and just rinsed out my hair. You don't have to shampoo or condition anything again. You'll just want to rinse it out. And then you'll go in and finish off with whatever routine you want to do. I am going to just blow out my hair, and I'll show you guys what my hair looks like when we're done. This is after I've given myself a little blowout. So right off the bat, I noticed that when I was styling my hair, it was a lot easier running my brush through it since everything had been smoothed down a little bit, and I feel like my ends aren't quite as dry. I also feel like my hair is shinier. I am really loving this. So I've had this mask for a while now, and I've never actually used it for the full like 15 to 20 minutes. It says 5 to 10 minutes, but I wanted to really give it a try. I haven't like blow dried my hair, like given myself a blowout in, like, I can't even tell you how long it's been. It's been forever. Thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you. Thank you for taking the time and for watching and sticking around. You know what to do. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Well, oh my gosh, I'm probably getting this all over the... Yep, I am. Okay, so if you want to see, I want wands. Okay, and I am shedding like crazy.